The Suvat Interactive Calculator solves kinematics problems using the equations of motion for constant acceleration. Let's look at the interface. The calculator has a drop-down menu called Select Calculation Mode with 6 options. Find final velocity given u, a, t. Find displacement given u, v, t. Find acceleration given u, v, s. Find time given u, v, a. Find initial velocity given v, a, s. And find final velocity given u, a, s with no time. For this demonstration, I'll use find final velocity given u, a, t. The input fields are initial velocity u, final velocity v, acceleration a, time t, and displacement s. Based on your selected calculation mode, you'll enter values in the appropriate fields. Let me walk through an example. After selecting Find Final Velocity mode, I enter my known values for initial velocity, acceleration, and time, leaving the final velocity field empty since that's what we're solving for. When I click Calculate, the Results section displays the unknown value we're solving for, shows the specific SUVAT equation used for this calculation, and may include any relevant warnings about the calculation parameters. This tool streamlines kinematic calculations for any engineering application involving constant acceleration. Find the link in the description below.